you know, spiritual bodies, 7 fields. And then we ask them, okay, now let's see if we can feel the first field, the outer field. So I ask them to open their hands and to get them close to each other. Yes. So it's very easy. You can try also. Put the hands next to each other, and before you touch it, you can feel a little bit warmer. You can feel resistance. So what we feel as resistance, this is our aura field. It is most dense field. So ask kids, can you feel it? Yes, you can.
For me better. So.
Okay, now what he's showing, those 2 fingers, here we can see. There's the next step, and this is you can feel. But yeah, you can see it. So if you bring your 2 fingers close to each other, you can see a little white field. Just focus between those 2 fingers. Can you see the white field? Just between those 2 fingers. And then you move them left, right, the energy moves. Well, anyway, go back to the field. So they can feel, I said, okay, this is the aura field. Now try to find the aura field on the trees. So they, you know, get one of the trees. You see how we nicely trim all the trees, they look beautiful. We call this magical forest. So they come close to the tree, say, okay, now try to feel the aura of the tree. Yeah, you can see it, you can feel it. Can you feel? Because this aura is even stronger than ours. I said, fine. Now when you can feel the aura from the tree, ask the tree to give you some of his aura. So they close their eyes and they are getting the aura from the tree. And then I ask them, can you feel the transfer? Yes, good. And after a few minutes, you tell them, and now you show your love. Say thank you to the tree and hug the tree. And that's why we call it hug the tree, show your love. And this is exactly what they do. They hug it and they show the love. And now all these circles is to catch our attention and remind us that everything is alive and we should respect